Hello friends, again welcome to our channel Shore Reveal. So today we are going to discuss on very important news that is coming from Kashmir. The topic is amid tensions on border, Indian Air Force is building emergency airstrip in Kashmir. As we know that Chinese are coming on the border in Ladakh, so India is also preparing for the war. Amid prevailing tensions on border with China and Pakistan, Indian Air Force has started construction of an emergency 3 km long runway parallel to the stretch of Srinagar Jammu National Highway in southern Anantnag district. The construction started on Monday and is going at a very fast pace. Currently, the earth filling work is being done on the stretch, which is being executed by a lesser known local construction company, Fetch Constructions. Sources said that work on the runway adjustment to the National Highway 44 in Bijbehara area is going on at a war footing. On completion, it will serve as a alternate runway facility for fighter jets in case of any emergency. As per the Indian Air Force, on completion, it will be the third airstrip in Kashmir Valley. After those in Avantipura and Srinagar that will be used by Indian Air Force for its exercises. Major General A. Sen Gupta, General Officer Commanding of Avantipura District Victor Force, said the runway is being constructed by the Indian Air Force. However, he declined to further comment on the issue. Officials of the National Highways Authority of India also said that the emergency landing and runway strip is under construction. They said they will not have operation details. No Indian Air Force official was available for comment. A senior army official said the construction of runway has nothing to do with the standoff with Chinese troops along the line of actual control in Ladakh territory region. Future highways could be the latest 4 multiplier for its air force, he said, adding that some public roads has been designed to serve as a runway for its warplanes to provide an alternative to launch operations if key airfields are bombed out for the emergency. The Indian Air Force said has firmed up an ambitious plan for emergency airstrips in important sectors. This construction of the runway is a part of that plan, the officials said. The decision was taken in June last year. This strip is along the 30 such strips to be constructed along the country, he said.